Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making dye-free royal icing for the very first time. I'm using powders from PRSM, and they just arrived, and I'm putting them right into some stiff icing. And let's see if these colors come out nice and deep and dark, or if I'm going to struggle to get a nice bright color. I'm going to start with the pink. I'm going to use 1 scoop of the powder to 2 parts of water and mix it together and then put that into my icing. I'm using about 1/8 of a teaspoon here. And I decided to try the dye-free powders after the FDA banned dye number 3, and it's something I've been thinking about for a while, but just haven't had the chance to experiment with. But it seems irresponsible to continue using dye number 3 when you know it's being banned, so I decided to go ahead and start making the switch over to all dye-free natural colors. So mixed together really well with the water, and it's made kind of like a little paste, so let's see if I can get that out and into my royal icing here, and we'll mix it up and see what we get. And already it's turning into a really nice shade of pink. I'm looking for a nice light pastel pink for a set that I'm doing this weekend. And I'm really happy with this. Let's see what happens with the purple. So this is the Royal Purple from PRSM, and I'm going to put 1 spoonful into the water and mix it up. So about 1/8 a teaspoon of powder to 1/4 teaspoon of water. And I'm just going to use the same mixing bowls I was using before, always starting with the lighter color and working my way to the darker color. The purple powder doesn't seem to be mixing quite as well, so I'm just going to give it a little bit more water and we'll see what that does to the royal icing. I do like the shade of purple though, so hopefully the icing will come out just perfect. So this is a really pretty light shade of purple, a nice lavender. I would like it to be just slightly brighter, so let me see if I can scrape any more color out of this bowl. But otherwise, I think I'm just going to let it sit and develop for a little while, and then we'll see if I need to come back and add more color later. So here's the color right now, and here's the color about an hour later. The purple especially did darken a little bit, and here's some finished cookies. Anyway, I'm really happy with how these colors from PRSM turned out, and I'm looking forward to my new dye-free journey. Thanks for watching.